Hello, my name is Sridharan. I take care of the delivery administration of Berry Muller Engineering Services Division. Today, I want to talk about the gap between the industry and the institution. Particularly when the students join the industry, they see there is a big difference between what they studied in the college and what they actually work on a day to day basis. Companies have found out ways to bridge the gap. One of them is to do some internship, and many companies do follow that. Some companies have gone to an extent where they introduce course in the final semesters so that the students are ready and undergo certain portion of the training before they come and join the industry. One of the area that seem to be needing good amount of bridging the gap is CAD, particularly called computer aided design. Students have a lot of innovativity and creativity to try and develop their own ideas, and CAD helps them immensely to come up with those ideas into a nice solution. But what happens is when they really try to put it in a practical situation, those ideas may not be feasible. That is the gap that we are talking about. And CAD has facility to do all kinds of ideas into a creative solution, but we are not able to bring it into the practical approach. The other area in the gap that we found is between the industry and institution is particularly called CAD. People try to come up with unique ideas and innovative solutions by doing a lot of 3D CAD models in the CAD environment. Sometimes these CAD cannot be actually made into a practical solution. That's the gap that we wanted to avoid. As a CAD manager in an industry, we have seen many students struggle when they come to an industry and they think about in 2D and they try and do circles and holes instead of making them into actual parts and actual pieces. Engineering students who are aspiring to do computer aided design have great skills of coming up with innovative and creative ideas. CAD helps them to come up with those ideas and show it to the world. Unfortunately, these ideas and creative solutions may not work on a practical basis due to limitations where it can be manufactured or it cannot be manufactured. As a CAD manager, we have seen many students coming from many industries having few gaps when they actually work on a product. Engineering drawing is one of the media that